As the beneficiary of a nut and bolt rotisserie restoration that included a modern 6.1-liter Hemi, a complete XV suspension, and a modified leather interior, this 1970 Challenger is an exceptionally well-done piece that'll more than hold its own against any pampered show queen. This cool E-Body's complete rotisserie restoration began when its solid convertible body was meticulously stripped, carefully massaged, and thoroughly sanded into a smooth, consistent canvas. Once that canvas was prepped, a bright coat of Viper Red urethane was expertly sealed in a thick clear coat shell, and when that clear coat cured, it was decked in black war paint and buffed to a thoroughly substantial presence. Open the straight doors and sit down inside a cockpit where the timeless good looks of American muscle meld seamlessly with tasteful upgrades and modern conveniences. Fresh black carpet anchors a modern stereo and a TKO pistol grip shifter inside a custom console. A modified dash hangs a full assortment of XV gauges above controls for air conditioning, and an old school tough wheel spins around a modern tilt steering column. Raise the wide red hood and you'll find a killer 6.1-liter Mopar crate engine, good for roughly 425 horsepower. That Hemi sends power to a Tremec TKO 600 5-speed and spins 355 gears. If you're in the market for some stunning Detroit metal that has the bare knuckle muscle to back up its killer good looks, this Challenger is for you. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.